Hello traders. In this video, we are taking a closer look at the Fractal Market Condition-Based Range or FMCBR indicator. We'll cover how this tool presents market condition information on the chart, what its readings imply about trend strength and volatility, and how it can fit into broader Forex analysis. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow the LL imports. Alright, so there we have it. As you can see on the chart, the FMCBR indicator is built to analyze fractal patterns and market ranges, and it typically appears as plotted lines or bands that reflect the current condition of the markets. These plotted values highlight whether conditions are more strongly trending, more volatile, or relatively quiet, providing a visual context for where price sits within its recent range. When the indicator output shows stronger readings aligned with directional movements, it implies that trend conditions are present and that price is moving with more conviction. When readings compress or shift toward more balanced levels, it implies a less directional environment, with the market possibly oscillating within a defined range rather than pushing persistently in one direction. By summarizing range behavior and fractal structure, the display helps traders gauge whether current market conditions are supportive of trend following or more suited to range bound approaches. As for the indicator settings, let's see what we have at the inputs. Alright, so as you can see, we can customize the colors for the display that appears on our MT4 chart, so it suits in, or it fits in rather, and stands out clearly with our underlying MT4 chart theme. We also have the in-depth, the limits, FIBO level, entry, exits, and also an option to use alerts. Alright, so who is the indicator for? The FMCBR indicator is aimed at forex traders who want a structured way to classify market conditions before choosing whether to apply trend following or range based tactics. It can be useful for both short term and longer term traders, as it can be applied to multiple timeframes to gauge the broader backdrop and the immediate trading environment. The indicator is a visual analytical tool only. It does not open, close, or manage trades. Like any technical tool, FMCBR can produce misleading or late readings during sharp regime changes, and it may generate false impressions of trend or range strength if used in isolation. So signals should be cross-checked with other indicators, price action, and sound risk management. The Learn More link for the FMCBR indicator is in the description below. You can read the full article and see more chart examples on the Forex Geek website. If you'd like to deepen your understanding of market condition tools and how they support different strategy types, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications.